guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to share with you about how you can make money online through affiliate marketing, that too without any Amazon or Flipkart affiliate account. Whenever your friends ask you for any suggestions regarding which phone to buy or where to shop for cool fashion, you generally might suggest some product. Did you know that you could have earned some commission whenever you suggest any product and if your friends buy them? Moreover, if you are a YouTuber, you don't need to wait for 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time milestone to get paid from YouTube. You can follow this method instead and earn passive income which you can transfer it to your bank. The process is simple, genuine, pretty straightforward, and moreover, it's free. Watch till the end to know about how you can get started and a few important things to keep in mind while using Earnkaro. Without any further ado, let's get started. Many times our friends ask us about which laptop or smartphone to buy online. We just suggest something which we have heard about or we personally tried and our job ends there. We sometimes buy something for ourselves too. What if in such cases you could have got a commission that you can transfer it to your bank account? Yes, you heard it right. It's possible with Earnkaro. If you are following our channel, we have already made a video on Cashkaro about how you can earn cashback for most of your online shopping. If you aren't yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button for such amazing videos where you can either earn or learn, sometimes maybe both. Well, coming to the point, Cashkaro and Earnkaro are under the same parent company but works completely different. Cashkaro gives you cashbacks and Earnkaro gives you commissions. In Earnkaro, you can generate links of products and share it with people so that when they buy, you get those commissions. Their catalog includes a wide range of products and brands where you can promote and earn. If you are a YouTuber, you can generate links for the gear you use like mic which you record, the camera you shoot or the laptop you edit, mouse, mousepad, RAM, hard disk and whatnot. The list goes on. You can generate these links and provide them in the description, and if someone is interested, they can buy without any extra cost to them and you will get some amount as commission as well. In this way, they can support your channel indirectly for the efforts you put into it. You can also use these links for the purchases you make for yourself. Before buying anything, visit Earnkaro, generate a link and proceed with your purchase through that link. Well, to get started, register in Earnkaro through the link in the description and start earning by making links of the products and sharing them across. To generate links, head over to the Make Links section. You can copy any product link from Amazon, Flipkart or any such e-commerce sites and paste it here. Then click on Make Profit Link button. That's it. A link will be generated and you can use your Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube or any other social media influence to promote your links, and Earnkaro will keep tracking the link and provide your commission. You can also share the products available on the homepage by clicking on the share button. The process is similar in both the app and web versions. Simple and straightforward, isn't it? They have products of Mamaearth, The Man Company, Myntra and many more where you can get high commissions for each sale. You can use these links even when you buy them for your personal use, which can save you a lot of money. Few things to keep in mind. Once your link is clicked by someone, it may take up to 24 hours to track the sale. And once the sale gets tracked, your commission will be in pending state till it gets confirmed by the retailer. It may take around 48 hours to 90 days for the amount to be confirmed depending upon the retailer. You can transfer the amount to your bank account once it reaches a minimum of 10 rupees. Once you request payment, the amount will be credited in 4 to 5 working days. Do check for the commission rates in the See Partners and Profit Rates section. Sometimes the retailers like Amazon and Flipkart offer high commissions and sometimes they don't offer anything. If you don't like the links which Earnkaro generates that may look odd to share, you can use Bitly links also. The referral program of Earnkaro is similar to that of Cashkaro. You can refer your friends and earn 10% of their profit forever. Like we said in our earlier video, create a secondary account and refer yourself. You can earn commissions in your secondary account and referral earnings in your primary account. Hope this video helps you. If it did, drop a like. That's it for today guys. See you in the next one.